and the interest rate is expected to stay the same as it has for the last 4 years. Wait, this just in. Breaking news. A passenger train has derailed this morning, leaving 238 people dead with no survivors. There's been no official statement from authorities yet, but it's thought to be the 8:43 express train to King's Cross. The cause is not yet known, but is suspected to be a result of signal failure. We'll keep you updated on that story as further information comes in. In other news, a panda has given birth.
Okay, got to run, Dave. Don't want to miss the 8:43 express train to King's Cross. Oh, and don't read any more ghost stories today, okay? You know how they make you crazy. You wouldn't believe what happened to me yesterday. My day got totally derailed. It was a massacre. Didn't help that it was completely roasting. Anyway, then I got quite wasted. Woke up surrounded by unconscious bodies. Oh. Felt like someone walked over my grave.
Am I going mad? It's been 6 weeks since Gary died in the train crash, and I've seen him every day since.
I used to watch this all the time.
Yeah, he did. God, I miss him so much.
Hey, there's a party happening at the weekend. Really high profile. Yeah, man, we should get...
I always thought ghosts only existed in my stories.
It's gonna be great.
Something to frighten children with.
Free cocktails.
Now I know they're real.
Canapes? Dave, canapes.
He seems to be trapped
Jesus,
in
we've gotta
some
get
kind of
canapes.
limbo,
Book it right now.
repeating his daily
Hey,
routine over and
Dave,
over.
I'm booking
He's relentless, and it's starting to take its toll on me, psychologically.
it. Hurry up in there, Dave.
I feel like I have no privacy anymore.
I'm gonna be late. I've got a meeting with the powers that be.
It's hard to enjoy all the little things I used to take for granted. I haven't relieved myself in 10 weeks.
I'm dead, Dave. I'm dead for sure.
Why are you still here, Gary? What can I do to help you cross to the other side? "12 weeks since Gary passed. I still look at photos to remember him as he was, and not as the disturbing echo that remains.
So, yeah, I don't know what's going on. The seal in the washing machine.
It's got to a point now that I pretend I can't even see him anymore.
I'm gonna have to call the landlord again. I'll do it now.
Stephanie, Gary's girlfriend. They went out for 3 years. She was supposed to be mine, but Gary got to her first. I've secretly loved her all this time, but Gary never knew. Sweet, sweet Stephanie. It's been so long since I felt the embrace of a woman. Gary's dead now. There's nothing stopping me from... But can I? betray his memory like that?
Hello?
Steph,
Oh, hi, Dave.
I'm sorry to call like this.
That's all right. What's up?
God, it's good to hear your voice. I haven't spoken to you since, well, you know. God, I miss him so much.
Oh, God, what's wrong? You're scaring me.
I can't go on like this. I need to tell you. I love you, Steph. I always have.
What's that noise? What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
What's going on?
I love you so much.
Dave, you sound really crazy.
I love you so much.
Dave, you're scaring me. Please, Dave.
I'm so sorry. I love you
What
so
the hell are you talking about? You're talking like he's dead or something. Gary's not dead. I spoke to him 5 minutes ago. You still there? Dave? Dave? Dave!